Hari Om. I am indeed happy to be here, which is meticulously spreading awareness about yoga. I would like to thank to everyone in this who is connected with this organization. Thanks. Jalaniti. As we know, the Jalaniti is the process of cleaning the nasal path through the both nostrils. Because of this, a balance is brought about between the left nostril and the right nostril. And considering the left brain hemisphere and right brain hemisphere. Also, including a state of harmony and balance throughout the body. It has a cooling and soothing influence on the brain, so it is very beneficial for treatment of migraine. It alleviates anxiety, anger, depression. It removes drowsiness and makes the head light and fresh. Jalaneti relieves muscular tension of the face and helps everyone to maintain a fresh and youthful appearance. Jalaneti removes mucus and pollutants from the nasal passages and sinuses, allowing air to flow without any obstructions. It helps prevent and manage respiratory tract diseases such as asthma, pneumonia, bronchitis, and pulmonary tuberculosis. It helps to relieve allergies, cold, and sinusitis together with the various disorders of the ears, eyes, and throat. The mouth breathing in children can be reduced by practicing Jalaneti. Most importantly, however, Neti helps to awaken the Ajna Chakra, which is located in the eyebrow center. Thank you. Hari Om. Jalaneti Shuddhi Kriya for the cleaning of the nasal path using water. For this we need Jalaneti pot, warm water, lukewarm water, and some salt which are adding in it, and napkin. Jalaneti pot may be made of plastic and brass also. We need bucket. The aim of the process is to clean the breathing path right from the nostril to the throat. Let's start with the first step. Put warm water into the utensil and pour a little salt in it. The water should be at body temperature and thoroughly mixed with the salt in the proportion of 1 tablespoon per half liter of water. The addition of salt ensures the osmotic pressure of the water is equal to that of the body fluid. Fill the neti pot with the prepared salt water. The nozzle on the end of the spout should fit comfortably into the nostril so that the water does not leak out. Tilt the head to one side and slightly back. Begin to breathe through the mouth. Mouth should be open and continue breathing through it. This is the squatting position. Now we are performing Jalaneti in standing position. Stand squarely, legs apart, with the body weight evenly distributed between the feet and lean forward. Again, tilt the head to one side and slightly back. Begin to breathe through the mouth. Remove the nozzle from the nostril. Tilt the head to the opposite side and repeat the process. There should be no force involved. The nozzle should press firmly against the side of the nostril so that no water leakage occurs. After completing this process, the nostrils must be thoroughly dried. After completing the Jalaniti practice, nostrils must be thoroughly dried. Stand erect and bend forward. Exhale forcefully from right to left and left to right. Now, after this Kapalbhati through each nostril, repeat with the right nostril open and then with the both nostrils open. First right nostril, then through left nostril and repeat with the
As we
both
know the
nostrils
benefits
open.
of Jalaniti, but we should follow some precautions such as the water should only pass through the nose. If some water enters the throat or mouth, it is an indication that the position of the head needs to be adjusted. Make sure that the nose is dried properly after the practicing Jalaniti. Otherwise, the nasal passages may become irritated and manifest the symptoms of cold. Please do not blow the nose too hard. Jalaniti is ideally practiced in the morning before the session of asanas and pranayamas. However, if necessary, it can be performed at any time except just after the meals. Those who suffer from chronic bleeding in the nose should not do Jalaniti without expert advice. Also, those who consistently have major migraine problem should seek expert advice. If anyone has high blood pressure, it can be practiced, but avoid salt in water. So, please follow the precautions and keep practicing. Hariyu.